So good morning, this is Darrell Freeman with Cockpit Conversations.
So I tell you what, make a right 360 there. We'll put you behind the Pilatus. He's on about a 4.5 mile final. He's doing 170 knots. Right,
okay, we're going in for landing. 3 in the green. We gotta get the flaps in.
3870, Papa taxi cross runway 1, taxi parking via Juliet.
All right, clear across runway 1, taxi via Juliet, and over to parking, Cessna 3870, Papa.
So let's look in here so the people can see you in the camera. How about that? They can see that beautiful smile of yours. So we're gonna ask everybody to come into the dinner and take your seats, and we're gonna have some fun.
Yes, everybody come into the dinner, take your seats so we can have some fun.
Have some. Let's do it again. Fun.
Fun.
Everybody come in, take your seats so we can have some fun. Well, I can't talk anymore, so now I gotta get on my pilot job.
Just 25 Charlie, your traffic's over Nissan.
All right. So I gotta go through a checklist. 3 in the green, which we have. Notch of flaps. I want to get another notch of flaps. Flight director on, or turn it off.
2113 with you on the Alice 32.
Guard 72113, Sprint Target number 3, you're following Cessna, turn right base.
Number 3 behind us, Cessna on right base, guard 72113, and if it's okay, can we stay at 1500, just go across the field over to Bear Island?
You see the runway, straight ahead?
Yes, sir, that's great.
Straight ahead, see the runway?
Yeah.
Right here, look down a little bit.
Behind the traffic, 2 mile final.
It's a long, dark strip, looks like a long street.
I see it.
You see it?
32 clear to land, watch out.
Okay, we got 3 in the green. We got 30 degrees of flaps. We're going to get another 10 degrees of flaps. We're going to slow the plane down. We want this to be 85. So, here we go. What is it right now?
98.
98.
500.
Count it down. What is it now? 98? We want it to be 85. Tell me what it is now.
97.
97.
96.
96. We want 85. What is it now?
93.
93. 3 in the green.
92.
92 is jumping around on you a little bit.
Yes.
See the runway now?
Yes.
I'm going to slow her back up.
Tower, Skylane 2746 uniform, ready at 1, number 2.
2746 uniform.
What is it now?
91.
What's short 1? 2746.
Now?
97. 90. 80.
We're down.
75.
We're down now. How about that?
7 Echo Romeo, turn left at Alpha, cross runway 1 to parking. Have a good day.
Left at Alpha, cross runway 1, and thank you for your help today, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
How about that?
That was amazing.
Did you have a good time?
Yes.
I had a good time too. So let's one more time ask the people, let's ask them to come in. Come into the dinner.
Come into the dinner.
So
Take your seats.
Take your seats so we can have a good...
Fun
Oh,
time.
let's do it again. Come into the dinner. Take your seats so we can have a fun time. Smyrna ground 567, we're crossing runway 1.
7 Echo Romeo, roger, taxi parking via Juliet.
Taxi to parking via Juliet, and thank you for your help today, sir. Well, Madison, it was awesome meeting you.
You as well.
And you're going to be a marine biologist.
Yes.
And what does that mean? What are you going to be? What are you going to do?
I get to study, like, marine life.
Awesome, awesome. And what made you interested in that?
I went to a total hospital in North Carolina, and I just saw, like, what they were doing, and I wanted to do that when I grew up.
Well, let me ask you this. What do you think about going to school?
University of Miami.
University of Miami. That's awesome. Well, I believe you'll do that. So, Your sister's been to junior achievement. Now you've been to junior achievement. And what did you like about it?
How we could have different jobs and learn how to be an adult.
Oh, wow. So you learn how to be an adult?
Yes.
Is it a lot of responsibility?
Yes.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, I agree. It's a lot of work. So how high do you think we went today? I'm going to tell you. Almost 2.5 miles up in the air. We were way up there.
How high can this plane go?
We can go to 30,000 feet. Well, Madison, this concludes our junior achievement flight where you have been excellent. So is Judd and Rosemary. You all did an outstanding job.
Thank you.
And it's an honor to have all of you on board with your parents. Remember, listen to what your parents tell you. Listen to your teachers and work hard. And you'll be extremely successful. Everybody's happy.